Hello everybody, my name is James Christy Bazil. I am a digital illustrator, 2D animator, and I've been working in the field of illustration and animation in Haiti for 10 years. I have participated in several projects as co-director and second animator, among which Victorieux ou mort, mais jamais prisonnier, which is a documentary film directed by Mario L. Delatour as main animator. I represent Cartoon Studios, which is an association of several professional artists working in the field of audiovisual production for a few years. The reason I'm standing today is to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, to give us your support to help us make Haitian superheroes' first animated feature film named Timistè, the Guardian. It's the story of a little boy with supernatural ability found by a fisherman in Calabash. This child, while growing up, will realize very young great exploits. Having been contacted by the queen in the spirit world, the little boy was warned that a great catastrophe was coming and that he should at all costs prepare himself. The little boy will have to fight a hurricane, unfortunately triggered by a bad spirit. Thus, my animated film project is part of a story, that of Haitian folklore targeting an audience of children and teens. Because this special public looks for itself without ever finding itself in a multitude of characters and products designed for others, I realize that there's a gap to fill, an expectation, a need for renewal in us, a need to put a little more local, personal touch that is felt, a gap that my project can begin to fill. Will the little hero Timistè manage to deflect this catastrophe? We don't know it yet, but it's you, ladies and gentlemen, who can help us unveil these hidden mysteries. Thank you in advance for all the attention you will give to our request. We ask you to believe, ladies and gentlemen, in the sincerity of our respectful greetings.